Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase's account limits and restrictions. So if you've been wondering how to use Coinbase's account limits and restrictions properly, this video is going to help you out with that. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. Alright, let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into it. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Coinbase accounts. Now you just go to settings. Once you're logged in, you want to go to the settings tab. Once you're there, you want to click on account limits. Next, you're going to view and manage your account limits and restrictions, and you can adjust these limits and restrictions as needed. And once that's done, you just want to confirm the changes, and Coinbase is going to acknowledge that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Coinbase's account limits and restrictions. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in